Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about, guys, if you are trying to download any application from the Play Store on your Android mobile, you are facing this problem, your device is not compatible with this version. So how to fix this problem if you are facing this problem? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, there are some settings you need to do it, and after that your problem will be solved 110%. First of all, open setting application on your Android mobile, and first of all update your Android mobile. Here guys, I have Techno mobile. You can search about our system update here guys. Simply tap on system update. You can see appears on screen. First of all, update your Android mobile. Now see, the next solution is open Play Store on your Android mobile. Here guys, simply tap on profile icon top right corner, and now guys, simply tap on setting. After see this, simply tap on about, and here is Google Play Store version. Simply tap on it. You can see simply update your Play Store. Tap on it, and you will see this screen here guys. Now Google Play Store up to date. You can Google Play Store update by this method, and now guys, close this window and see the last solution is open again setting application. Here is, tap on it. Guys, you need to find app list on your setting, and in my case, scroll down, simply tap on app permission. Here is app list. Tap on it, and now find Google Play Store. Here is tap on Google Play Store, and guys, simply tap on storage and cache, and simply clear data and clear cache of Google Play Store. After that, you need to clear cache. Here tap on it, and now clear cache. Guys, after this setting, your problem will be solved 110%. You can see open Play Store and download any application you want to download. So I hope this video informative for you. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.